We're shooting one of my favorite 38 specials of 357 Magnum. It is a Python, a 4-inch barrel. Very wonderful gun. They had a little trouble with these on the trigger when they came out. If you shot real hot ammunition, it would stick on you. But they fixed the problem now. This is a model 2000 or later Colt Python. A lot of people carry these for self-defense. They're a little bit heavy. Looking down the barrel. The action on this is fabulous. Fabulous. Both single and double action. Single action, I think it probably has a 3.5 pound trigger and probably a 5 pound trigger on double action or something like that. We'll shoot this here several times. I got some pretty hot ammunition with it here for my short range. We're shooting 158 grain hull points. I think I'm shooting number 2400 powder also. Show this bullet to you. Loads in the cylinder beautifully. Ejects beautifully. They are basically, the Python has always been a masterpiece of pistols. Let's see where this one shoots. That was a heavy one. I think I got one in there. Not fair. By the way, Colt always shoots clockwise and like that. Your Smith & Wessons go counterclockwise. Another thing I want to show you on a pistol while you're here for the same pistol to be in time, that's double action. That cylinder has to lock. It does not slip back and forth. You have to check this on your pistols to make sure they're in time on every cylinder, single and double action. This one is in perfect time. Now single action. Locked, 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 locked. Check your pistols, because many pistols are not in time, especially the older pistols. All right, let's go back to shooting again. This pistol isn't even broke in yet. I haven't shot it that many times. Find out where this thing's shooting. There it is. Click. Pretty hot loads. See, it's got 8.5 grains of Magnum powder in it, 2400. I'm going to shoot a target on there. I'm going to find out what this thing's shooting. That there's a paper target up there. Right below that, there is a white spot. Something locked up on that for some reason. Let's see here. Oh, that 2400 powder. Sometimes it doesn't burn well. Let's see here. Heavy loads. Some of that powder is getting stuck in the mechanism of the gun here. We'll shoot her one more round here. Let's see where this thing's shooting. I haven't shot these rounds in this pistol. And I'll shoot. Got our Mustangs coming up here close now. They aren't afraid of me either. I'll shoot this thing double action now at my target, and then I'm going to see how close these are. These are shells that I've experimented with. I can see from here they're pretty close, but they might look like they are shooting low. Every load will shoot differently. I had this one. This pistol was sighted in with 125 grain hollow points with 6 grains of unique powder. Let you see this again. Colt Python, late model, Packmar grips on it. I like it a lot. With my 125 grain, 6.5 grains of unique, it shoots very well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.